Hi, I'm Alia. So today I want to make a video about the first three cases in Slovenian language, but only for the feminine nouns, yeah? So let's just start. I will quickly show you how it goes and then we will get more into depth, yeah? So, the first case, Imenovalnik. Kdo ali kaj? Who or what? This is what we ask ourselves, yeah? So, kdo ali kaj je? Who or what is? Je is the helping word, okay? Sestra je doma. Sister is at home, okay? Second case, rodilnik. Koga ali česa? Who or what, again, so, but the helping word. Koga ali česa ni, or ni tam. Who or what is not, or is not there. Okay, so, koga ali česa ni, sestre ni doma. So before we had sestra, now it's sestre. Third case, dajalnik, is komu ali čemu, to who or to what, and dam, I give. Okay, this dam is a helping word here. So, komu ali čemu dam, to who or to what do I give? You can say an example, Sestri dam torto, I give cake to my sister. So, if I ask you, kdo ali kaj, you would answer sestra. Koga ali česa, you would answer sestre. Komu ali čemu, you would answer sestri. You see, all three times it's the same word, the meaning sestra, but the thing is, with cases, we show what is happening to this noun, okay? So in the first case, sestra is written in the same way as it is in the dictionary, right? So, sestra, sister. And what is happening with her? I mean, nothing, she's just there. We're not doing anything, you know, she's just there, she is. So, sestra. Second case, what is happening? She's not there. So, something to do with not being there, not, you know? So, sestre. Sestre. And the third case, dam. So what is happening with sister, right? So she is receiving something. So then at the end you put I. So sestri. Okay, sestri. I hope this makes sense. I will make another video for the remaining three cases for the feminine noun. And then if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye!